Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the exact suppression reason in Seller Central. Open Manage Inventory, filter to Suppressed and copy the suppression message for each ASIN. Once done, collect the evidence Amazon expects. Clear product images, accurate GTIN or exemption info, label photos, and invoices or purchase orders within the required timeframe. Make sure your listing fields match the product, title, brand, manufacturer, and bullet points, so your documentation directly supports the claim that the listing is compliant and accurate. Now you perform the corrective edits Amazon needs. Update the exact suppressed attribute in the listing, fix metadata, remove unsupported claims, and enter precise measurements and material information. Replace or reshoot images to meet Amazon's image guidelines and attach them to the same SKU. If the suppression is GTIN related, either provide a valid UPC/EAN or submit a GTIN exemption with manufacturer proof. Once edits are saved, double-check other listings for similar issues so you don't repeat the same mistake across catalog entries. Finish by filing a concise appeal through Seller Central's Contact Us or Performance Notifications. Explain what you changed, why it fixes the problem, and attach the invoices, corrected screenshots, and image files. Once submitted, monitor the case and respond quickly if Amazon asks for clarification. Timely responses prevent automatic denials. If you don't hear back or get an unsatisfactory answer after 7 to 14 days, reopen the case with additional proof and politely request escalation to a specialist for final review. This often resolves stubborn suppressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.